Hello, welcome to Dump Truck Episode 1. Today we are going to fill this horsey horse and the turtle. This turtle with this dump truck and the shovel over there and the rolly to make path. And now let's be gone. This is a stupid video. I don't know why am I doing this. Hee-ho, let's go. And my assistant, Dom Nicholas. Hee-ho, let's go. Hee-ho, let's use the dump truck, you Dom Nick. Okay. Hee-ho, let's go this. The turtle's turning out pretty good. Ooh, turtle. Ooh. Help me fill this, Dominic. Okay. Okay, so this is how much is the horsey we've done. Now, as you know, I am Floppy the fish, and also this is not my normal voice, I just like to talk weird. This is my normal voice, but I want to talk like this. Hey, Holly, let's go potatoes. I don't. Help me, Dominic, use the truck. Fine. Oh, I need to use my shovel. Okay, now we're gonna end on the video. Dump Truck Episode 1 out and Dump Truck Episode 2 coming in 10